When you have a bright color like the yellow peel in this 2021 Mustang GT, you need a color to offset it. And from the factory, this car has the blackout package. So you got black roof, black spoiler, and black mirrors. But we're thinking carbon fiber will look even better. So today we're going to upgrade our mirror covers with a set of carbon fiber ones from Accelatec. Now, these Accelatec mirror covers are made of real 2x2 twill weave carbon fiber and fit right over your factory mirrors, and they're available in 2 different versions. This is going to be for your standard mirror without the turn signal, but they're also available for the turn signal version. Now what this is going to do is basically install right over the factory cap. As you can see, it's a really tight fit. The installation is handled by double stick tape, and the manufacturer includes not only the tape, but adhesion promoter and cleaner as well. So first what we're going to do is install some tape, and what you want to do is put it around the edges. So basically in through here, on the corners here, and down the bottom there. So now take the supplied surface cleaner, which is basically just an alcohol wipe, thoroughly clean the mirror. And if you got a lot of bugs and guts on here, clean it with some detailer first, just to make sure it's as clean as possible. Now put a little adhesion promoter on the edges where the tape's gonna go. Now we're gonna peel back all the backing. It's ready to install. And what you kind of want to do is put it over the front edge first, hold it wide so the tape doesn't start sticking until you get it where you want it. And just press down for a few seconds here on all the tape, make sure it's seated properly. And then repeat the process on the other side. Like I've said before, once you start adding carbon fiber, it's tough to stop. The mirror covers look great, are very easy to install, and will look great on any color. Give yourself about 10 to 15 minutes tops. Be back on the road in no time.